Hey everybody, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. Today folks, we have a beautiful Chrysler Pacifica. This is a Pacifica Limited Plus. It has nearly everything you can get except for the big sunroof. It has dual DVD players, the leather heated and cooled seats, the 20-inch rims, the fog lights, the chrome, the passive entry system. Even has the fun feature where you kick under the door and the door opens. Of course, it's not going to open when the car's on, but it's got the feature where you can kind of kick towards the doors, front, side and right side and left side, and even the trunk, and it will open for you. It's got the built-in vacuum cleaner. It has everything. Beautiful van, beautiful paint, old AC, super comfortable. Got roof bars that stow in here, and they'll go across and mount whenever you want to use them. I like that it has this little brown trim around the seats and the same kind of accent here and here, just a little brown accent that gives it a different shade on the seats and on the dash. Really nice user-friendly interface. There's your buttons up there for your hatch and your side sliding doors, Bluetooth, memory seats. You got a nice set of full mats, rubber mats all the way around, and you have stow and go, by the way, so the middle and the second and third row fold flat into the floor with the touch of a button. Backup camera there. I love this feature because my children, my little ones, my 3 and 4 year olds, can just press the button there and open the door instead of having to pull the handle. We actually drive a Pacifica just like this. Nice DVD players there, charging jacks, and HDMI port. Cup holders up here, cup holders here. This middle seat does come out. It doesn't stow like the other ones do, but it's removable. If you press this little shortcut button here, it will move that driver's seat up and out of your way for you. As you see, it's going. Once it's out of the way, you simply pull. Just pull this little handle down here. Pull that whole panel up. And then, if that rubber mat wasn't in my way, I could do it with one hand. But you fold this, pull that, and the whole thing folds right into the floor, lickety-split. It can be done with one hand if I didn't have that rubber mat getting in my way. I still kind of want to do it with one hand. There we go. Boom. And boom. Not quite there. Ruining my video here. There we go. Down to the floor. Fold, fold. Anyway, you get the idea, folks. I don't want my video to be too long, so if anybody needs a full illustration of how all these seats go into the floor, give me a call. Give us a call anytime for any reason, 803-853-4300. I'd love to help you, whether you buy this car or any car from us or anywhere else. We'd be happy to help if you have any advice, any needs at all. 803-853-4300. Thanks for watching.